Hey everyone, so I just want to make a quick update video on my Super Dwarf Cavendish banana. You can see it right here in this type of thicket of things in this raised bed. And today I want to talk about growing bananas in ground in Zone 7B. So this plant, I got it about a year and a half ago from an online seller. And this summer I decided to plant it in the ground. You can see it's got some really big leaves. It's getting pretty tall up here like this, so you know, measuring it from the base, it's over 5 feet to this kind of tip right here. And right around here is about 3 feet. So it's actually done really well. I'll actually show you the base of the plant really quick just so you can get an idea kind of how significant these pseudostems are. We've got 3 pups. There's one other one you can't see off screen. And this plant, what I've decided to do this year is I wanted to do an experiment moving it from its pot into the ground to see if I can do something with winter and summer roots. You can actually see another kind of interesting experiment I'm doing with Passiflora right here that it's kind of similar. There's some pros, cons with it. So with this plant, it's grown outside all summer. It's done really well. It's gotten some water from the watering system right here. You can see the soaker hose right in there. It's done well on that part. It actually had some shading just over it, some shade cloth down this row just because it struggled a bit, and some of these other plants in this row struggled with the summer heat. And the whole idea is that, you know, growing some of these type of tropical things in pots, if you look at my channel, I have some other videos on Passiflora. One of the big challenges is just root space, and a lot of these plants aren't necessarily set up. I don't think most plants are really set up for growing in pots. The idea is if it can spread out, it can grow a little bit bigger, you can potentially get bananas over the summer and then transplant them. I've actually seen, there's another channel, some people from Georgia who's actually transplanted some bananas, and that was the whole idea of it. So with where I'm at in the season, this plant is probably going to come up in either 2 days or maybe like a week, because we're starting to get temperatures that are going into the 50s. And if you get temperatures below 60 degrees, if you read anything online, what they say about bananas is that's really slowing their growth. And down below 50, it's supposed to stop. So there's kind of a pros cons analysis, just thinking about, okay, so if I dig this up and it has a much smaller root base, and I'm probably going to separate 1 or 2 pups. Remember, there's one on the other side, so it should be all right with that, just so it has a successor plant when I do get bananas. I don't know if it's totally worth it. That's kind of my concern. So I'm still thinking about it. It's all dependent on the temperature. Let me know if you want to see it when I dig it up. And that's mainly the thought, that I basically put it out here. It grows in the summer. And I honestly think if I put this plant, or I put a plant anywhere similar to this size, just like looking at it, in the spring, I think I would have gotten bananas from it. I'm going to do another experiment like when I get around to next spring with this Kokopo banana right here. It's another banana. It's actually looking a little bit weird. I don't know what all is going on here, if like it's grown out from not where it's supposed to. But it's a banana that's supposed to fruit very quickly. It's also pretty small, because I don't think most of you who might want to try this are going to want a 10-foot tall banana in your house. Like this is only supposed to be, like this is supposed to be its max height. So overall, it's been an interesting experiment. I think the real determining factor is, well, obviously if I get fruit and how well it transplants, which I'm not super worried about, but let me know if you want to see more in this regard. And yeah, take care.